Hello everyone. Now let us explore what this app Notely is all about. The team members are Jagannathan J, Mahadevan R and Nakulan B. And we are gonna see about how the Notely is made and how it is actually created and how it offline processing is done here. So as you can see, this app actually targets not only the modern devices, but it can also target old Android devices, so users can use them without any difficulties. So as you can see, this configuration forces on device processing. So there will be no cloud API keys, just like we derive from Google Speech, which is very costly. And this is the reason why we can able to use voice processing in offline mode. That is, the emulator can take charge and derive inputs from user, and the app will convert them into text. So this is the functionality that saves voice notes, that is the voice to text notes in the emulator itself. As you can see, we serialize to JSON instead of SQLite for simplicity. And for production level, we are gonna upgrade this storing to RoomDB. I have made the UI very responsive in this activity underscore main.xml, so that if user clicks on certain buttons, he can get to where he wants in this case. So this is a sidebar button and this is a add note button, and these are just normal buttons, these normal layouts. And this here, after saving the notes, it will show what is the most recent note is created here, and that's what we made in this project. Since in my laptop there is no emulator support, I can't able to show you screen by screen, but let me show you what I have done with this app. As you can see, the layout will be very blank. If I click plus button, now I removed it, so there will be no issues. But when I record this text, well, this is reason, this is an error. And when I record this, hello, how are you, is it going good or is it going bad, it's gonna record itself and it's gonna stop when there is no speech detected. And this is the main functionality of the mini project we have created on. So to make this project possible, I have imported these three libraries. These three libraries may become outdated in future, but for combating this problem, we have used machine learning. We will add machine learning, but for now we didn't able to add it, but we will add it sooner in future. But still, it is very functional. We can still record the voice and we can make voice notes with it, so there will be no problem. And this is my overall project, and these are the additional components I have created along the way while creating this project for more responsive UI. And this is just a plugin. Let me show you a build Gradle. So these are the dependencies where I have used JSON to import the JSON file correctly, and these are the dependencies and implementations I have done in the build Gradle to make sure it works perfectly. And the minimum SDK is 24 here, but don't worry, the application will still run on 100% of devices. So let us come to the main part. The permissions I have asked for is to record audio and internet, which won't be necessary because the app works on offline, so there will be no trackers and no other ad problems. So the recording will still go on even though if it is offline. And this is the additional change I have made in this project. And thank you everyone for listening to this video.